Yes, Mr. Umar.
Brigadier, is it correct that there were some investigations that were done in relation to the measurements, that is the height, the elbow and the shoulder level of the accused person, that is accused number 124 in this court, before court, yes?
Yes, by Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, my lord.
Kuyiqiniso-ke ukuthi-ke ufanele ama-measurements noma-ke ukuqala okwenziwa uyena ku-Lieutenant Colonel Mangena.
Who requested such investigations?
It was me, my lord.
Mina-ke owacela ukuthi kwenziwe lokho.
And it was in conjunction with him in trying to establish. I'm not so sure how who would have initiated it first, my lord, but at the end there was a common understanding that the accused perhaps could be measured to see if he can bring them closer to the shooter, but that exercise was fruitless, my lord.
Angisakhumbuli ukuthi phakathi kwami naye ubani-ke owaqala-ko leyo nkulumo leyo, kodwa-ke ekugcineni savumelana-ke ukubheka-ke wayezama ukuthi abheke-ke noma abone-ke ukuthi-ke ubani angathi amsondezeke eduze nalowo owadubula, kodwa-ke akunamiphumela-ke eyatholakala lapho.
So, if you say that exercise was fruitless, you mean that the accused person from whom such measurements were conducted, he could not be placed at the crime scene?
No, I don't mean that. He
What
was
do you
an.
mean?
No, I don't mean that. What I mean is, at the end of the day, my lord, he said to me, he is unable to say with definition, with definitely to say accused 1, for example, fits the profile of the shooter, or even accused 3 to say in terms of his measurement, he fits the profile of the shooter or not. And he explained that in my recollection, in terms of the hand, moving up and down, but he's more equipped, my lord, to explain. But all I'm saying is that at the end of the measurement, he was unable to say to me, I can include or exclude any of the accused as the shooters.
Abakusho-ke ukuthi asithi mhlampe-ke athi umsola wokuqala-ke ukuthi-ke kuloko engikwenzile-ke angikwazanga-ke ukuthi ngisho noma ngithole-ke ukuthi ngawuyena-ke odubule, mhlampe-ke sithi umsola wesithathu ukuchazile-ke ukhuluma-ke ngezandla-ke nangendlela-ke yama-movements, kodwa yena-ke uyena umuntu ongakusho ngcono lokho, kodwa-ke egcineni washo ukuthi-ke akatholanga-ke imiphumela kuloko ayekwenza.
The same conclusion was reached in respect of my client, Mr. Mapisa.
Well, it was reaching all of them, my lord, 1 to 4, my lord. Those were the accused who were measured.
Kubona bonke-ke wathola-ke noma washo lokho-ke u-1 kuyofica-ke ku-4 bonke-ke babekaliwe.
On the 20th of July 2020, Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, he proceeds to Cleveland Police Station, where he booked out the exhibit, that is a firearm, which was booked in a secret den.
Yes, I'm aware he did that, my lord.
Yebo ngiyazi ukuthi-ke ngazo i-20 zikaJuly 2020 uLieutenant Colonel Mangena wahamba waya eCleveland Police Station ila ayokhipha khona-ke amazibiti kwakhona nesibhamu phakathi.
Did he tell you that he was going there on the 20th of July 2020?
Yes, he told me, my lord.
Yebo wangitshela ukuthi-ke uya khona lapho ngazo i-20 July 2020.
Where were you on that day? Can you remember? You can't
No,
remember.
I can't remember, my lord. But what I know, I was not with him when he went to book out the firearm.
Angisakhumbula ukuthi ngangikuphi ngalelo langa, kodwa nje ngikwazi ukuthi ngangekho naye nkathi-ke eyokhipha isibhamu leso.
Do you know why he had to book it out on the 20th of July 2020?
For examination, my lord, because analysis at that stage, accused 3 had been identified, Cleveland case had been identified, and furthermore, he had already, through my request, done the examination of comparing the exhibits of this Cleveland case in relation to this case, my lord. And I recall him, and there's a report, an affidavit that he gave me, which said he is not finding sufficient marks, so he needs the firearm. And that is how he ended up now going to Cleveland to recover the firearm with the purpose of doing further examination, my lord.
Kwakuhlola-ke lapho ke noma kusihlola ke sona ke isibhamu ngoba ngiyakhumbula ke ngoba ke kwakusekuhloliwe ke ubufakazi ke mayelana necala lelo lase Cleveland kanye ke naleli nobufakazi ke kuleli icala kodwa washo ke ukuthi ke akatholanga ama marks anele ingakho ke wayidinga isibhamu ke manje ngiyazi ke khona nombiko noma ke statement asenza ke mayelana nalokho washo ke ukuthi manje udinga isibhamu uqobo ukuthi ke asebenze ngaso.
So, Brigadier, Lieutenant Colonel Mangena did not request you to go to Cleveland police station to book out this firearm. He did it out of his own frolic.
No. He was requested by me.
Okay.
Yes, we spoke about it, my lord. But there was an understanding that he will be the one going to pick up the firearm. So that was the understanding that we reached.
Wakhuluma ke nami mina ke wamcela ukuthi aye lapho emuva kokuthi sikhulumile ke safika ke kuleso sivumelano ukuthi akube uyena oye Cleveland ayolanda isibhamu leso.
Is there anything, Brigadier, that made you not to go there, to go and book it out and take it to the ballistic unit of the...
No, there was nothing, but there was also nothing wrong in my view, my lord, for Colonel Mangena to book it out himself. It was simply an exercise of limiting many hands so that the chain of evidence is limited, my lord, because I knew what we're dealing with.
Kwakungekho ke noma ke asikho ke izathu sesibangela ukuthi mina ke ngingayi kwakungekho ke futhi ke nokungalungileke ngokuthi yena aye uKolonel Mangena ayosithatha isibhamu khona lapho ke eCleveland esasigwema ke ukuthi ke kume nezandla eziningi ke lapho ngokuhamba noma ke ngokusethathwa kwaso isibhamu ngoba siyazi ke ukuthi sasidila ngani noma sasebenza ngani la.
At the ballistic section of the Forensic Science Laboratory, did anyone knew on the 28th of July 2020 that that firearm was there? Do you know or you don't know?
No, but I don't know, my lord. Well, if you say anyone, Colonel Mangena worked for the ballistic section, so he knew. If the question is anyone, he is one of the persons that I spoke to, and he knew that he was taking that firearm there.
Uma uthi ke lapha kuma ballistic ukhona owayazi ukuthi isibhamu leso sasilapho uKolonel Mangena usebenza khona ke lapho ke so wayazi ke ukuthi isibhamu silapho.
Except him.
No, then my lord, I think he's in a better position than to explain that, or someone from that side. I wouldn't know, my lord.
Yena ke uyena ongachaza ke uma uthi ngaphandle kwakhe ke uyena ongachaza ngcono noma ke omunye umuntu osebenza khona lapha mina ngeke ngazi.
Did he tell you that he had completed his investigation, the test on this firearm?
Yes, when he was able to link it, definitely, my lord, he did tell me that he has linked it, he has concluded his investigation, and that he'll be taking now the exhibit back to Cleveland. I think it was the 27th of July, 2020, and that is the day where now, because I knew he had completed his investigation, that then I said I will meet him there in order to receive, after the processing has been done, this firearm as an exhibit in this matter, my lord.
Ingabe wakutshela ke uma eseqedile ngophenyo lwakhe yebo wangitshela ke kwakungazo i27 July 2020 uma esho ukuthi useqedile ke futhi ke utholile ke ukuthi impela ke leso sibhamu leso ke uyasihlanganisa ke nezibithi elatholakala ke noma necala leli ke ila esavumelana khona noma ngasho khona ke kuyena ukuthi sizohlangana khona lapho.
Did he tell you when he had analyzed his investigations?
Yes, he told me, my lord. This is what I'm saying, or just said now, that he informed me, and then he informed me that because he's done, he will then be taking the exhibit back to Cleveland police station, and that is why I asked him to meet him there, and indeed I met him on that day, my lord.
Iloko ngiqeda ukusho ke manje ukuthi yebo wangitshela ukuthi useqedile ngophenyo lakhe ngasho washo ke nokuthi isibhamu sizosibuyisela khona ke eCleveland ngasho ukuthi asihlangane khona lapho eCleveland police station.
I mean the date, Brigadier. Did he tell you the date when he had finalized his investigation?
No.
He did not?
No, my lord. It was the communication is I am done. So that's why I'm saying the sequence of events, my lord. First, there's a request by me to him to say we have now identified accused 3 under this case number. This is Cleveland. Please compare this exhibit under Cleveland with our matter because it's a person of interest. That part is done. He gets back to me and say, I found insufficient markings. I need the firearm, to actually do further test. Then the Cleveland part of him going there then kicks in. when he is done, he didn't say I've completed this thing 1 hour, 2 hours ago. That's not how the communication said. He said I've concluded my investigation. There is a positive match, and obviously we discussed the issue of me getting the ballistic report. And then in that discussion, he then said I will be taking the firearm to Cleveland because he was done with the exercise. And that's when I said to him I will meet him at Cleveland police station, my lord.
Ukwenzeka-ke kwezinto ukuthi-ke manje manje esetholakele-ke noma-ke usekhona-ke umsolo wesithathu kwicala-ke manje kwacelwa-ke ukuthi aqhathaniswe ubufakazi lobu becala lase-Cleveland kanye nalobu obutholakele kuleli icala ilapho-ke manje khona-ke wakwenza-ke lokho washo ukuthi cha angitholi-ke okwanele noma ama-marks anele ngidinga-ke isibhamu. Ilapho-ke manje kuvela khona-ke udaba lokuthi akaye eCleveland ayothola-ke isibhamu. Lapho emuva kwalokho useyasho-ke ukuthi ngitholile-ke okwanele ngiyakwazi ukuthi-ke manje ngihlanganise lesibhamu nabo ubufakazi lobu obatholakala kuleli icala. Emuva kwalokho asho-ke ukuthi sengiqedile ngophenyo yila esivumelana isibhamu ngisibuyisele eCleveland yila esivumelana khona-ke ukuthi asihlangane khona eCleveland uma ebuyisela isibhamu.
There is a statement which was handed in as Exhibit LL2 of the record. It's A6 in the docket.
A6.
A6.
Statement of Silepe, Constable Silepe.
It's a statement by Abe Sefularo Motweli.
Yeah, I do recall the statement of Mutwedi, my lord. Perhaps we can get to it, so not maybe to waste time. I'll find it for time being, my lord.
Is it correct, Brigadier, that you told this court that you have been in charge of this investigation since 2018?
Yes, 2018, the 12th of November, my lord. That's correct.
Yebo ngishilo ukuthi kusukela nge-12 November 2018 kuyimina